Stephanie, I have to document everything. Hi, Jess.
She doesn't have a good enough memory to remember herself. She thinks that.
I can tell.
Hey, we gotta document our memories, okay? So we are on this train to Mannheim. Laughing at me. We had an amazing pastry and we drank hot chocolate and we have juice. And this is Steph's first train ride.
That it is.
And she's nervous.
I'm not really nervous.
She's complaining that it's not
on the train.
She's complaining that it wasn't an airplane earlier.
I wasn't technically saying that.
She just said she liked it.
It's okay, Stephanie. It's okay.
I like not having to deal with the airport.
Me too. Like, we didn't have to go through security or anything. We just kind of hopped on the plane. Or the train. Now you got me saying planes.
Well, how do they do it here for Ryanair?
Same way. You go through security and everything. Everyone's exactly the same.
Yeah, I was like, you're still getting on an airplane.
Shoot, I don't know. I flew.
Stephanie looks all cute and stuff today, and I look all
Why are we
like
documenting this?
bummish. I'm the bum.
Every day.
Dude, I look like a bum. Always. Don't hate me, Stephanie. Don't hate me. You know you love me. And you know you're gonna thank me when I email you these or give them to you so that way you'll have like something to treasure forever.
Yeah.
Dad wants us to get that every day. Like,
You're
this
like,
is my
oh
friend
my
cat.
She is insane. She has to document everything.
I remember this. She was such a total goofball. I like.